On your screen is a famous quote, and it reads, "To avoid disappointment, know what is sufficient, and to avoid trouble, know when to stop." Now, if you are able to do this, I can guarantee you that you will be around for a mighty long time. Now, this quote is a reminder that we should be content with what we have and that we should know when to let go. The word disappointment in the quote refers to a feeling of sadness or dissatisfaction that comes from not getting what we want. And the word trouble in the quote refers to a difficult or unpleasant situation. The word sufficient in the quote refers to enough or adequate. And the word stop means to cease or to come to an end. Now, the quote also suggests that we should be careful not to set our sights too high. If we expect too much, we are setting ourselves up for disappointment. Now, we should also be careful not to get too attached to people or things, because if we are too attached, then we will be more likely to experience pain when things change or people leave. Now, if we can learn to be content with what we have and to let go of things when it is time, we will be less likely to experience disappointment or trouble. We will also be more likely to live a long and happy life. Now, I know, my friends, that what I've just said can be a difficult concept to grasp, especially if we have been conditioned to believe that we need to always strive for more. But it is also important to note, remember that contentment is not about settling for less, but it is more about knowing what is enough and about being grateful for what we have. Now, in closing, if we want to live a happy life and a fulfilling life, we need to learn to be content. We need to learn to let go of things when it is time, and we need to learn to focus more on the present moment. Yeah, man, a word to the wise.